In this video, I'll show you how to use the word worth. The word worth is similar to the word value. What something is worth depends on a person's belief in the value of the thing, or it's an estimate, or it's the market value. This is what people are willing to pay for something. Or someone simply makes a guess as to the worth of something. It could be worth a lot of money, or it could be worth nothing. What is this car worth? What are these bikes worth? If you look in a dictionary, worth is labeled as a preposition. Sometimes it's a noun if an article appears before it, the worth. It's not an adjective and it's not a verb. To make it an adjective, then you add y to worth, worthy, or you could add a suffix, less, worthless, meaning there's no worth. But in most cases, it's just a preposition. Use worth when talking about the value of something. What is a person willing to pay for something? That determines its worth. What is that? And then here's the thing. What is that house worth? What is that car worth? What is that radio worth? And the answer here, it's worth, and then here's the dollar amount. This is what you think it's worth, or this is what the market believes the thing is worth. It's worth $40. It's worth $400. It's worth $40,000. The market determines the worth or the value of something. The market consists of all the people who are available to buy something. They're the people who determine the worth of a thing. What is this guitar worth? I'm thinking about selling this guitar, and I checked on eBay. It looks like I can get $600 or $700 for the guitar. That would be the value of the guitar or the worth of the guitar determined by the people who are willing to buy the guitar. Here are a few different ways to use the word worth in a sentence. It's worth a lot of money. Without saying exactly how much, it's enough just to say a lot of money. Or it's not worth much. This would be a very small amount of money. Or it's worthless. If something is worthless, the value is zero. It's not worth anything. It doesn't have any value. What do you think this is worth? This question might be used for jewelry or antiques. These are old household items like furniture or lamps, tables, or things that are rare, things that are hard to find, might be worth a lot of money. What is gold worth right now? It's worth $3,287 an ounce. I have an old baseball glove. It's over 60 years old. It's in very good condition. What do you think it's worth? I found this on eBay. Someone is selling it for $28.74. Is that what it's worth? What it's worth depends on what someone is willing to pay for it. What are you willing to pay for it? Whatever a person is willing to pay for something will determine its worth. If no one is willing to pay for it, it's worth nothing. You can also use worth when talking about the value of time. Is this worth your time? Your time has value. This is worth my time. So this is valuable to me. Or this isn't worth my time. It's not valuable. It's not worth it. This is often said when a person does not want to spend time doing something. The experience has no value. It's not worth it. Has this video been worth your time? If so, make sure that you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.